views.
If your hair is thirsty, this is what you need. Hi, I'm Danielle Keller and I'm a hairstylist and I'm with the Desire Company. This is the Unite You oil. This is a special, amazing product. I use this almost on every single client in the salon. It smells clean and light and fresh. I love the scent. Oil repels water from the hair, so I definitely use this on everybody because I'm gonna be able to do a faster blow dry on them, and they will also be able to recreate that at home if they use this. Who doesn't want a faster blow dry? This is a weightless oil, so everyone from fine hair all the way to thick hair can use this product. If you have fine hair, obviously don't use a ton. Start with half a pump or 1 pump. If you have thicker hair and more hair like me, I do a lot of pumps on my hair. I use this mostly on wet hair because I want a little bit of that heat protection before I do heating tools, but you can also use this on dry hair. It's actually amazing on dry hair. You're not gonna use as much on dry hair as you would on wet hair, so I would only do like half a pump or 1 pump. You wanna make sure you're applying this from your mid shaft to your ends and not at the roots. You don't need any more shine or moisture at your roots. Another great place for this is these front guys that get really dry and you probably curl them or flat iron them all the time. You wanna make sure you're getting those ends too. Because it's an oil, it makes the hair super shiny. And instead of like being a silicone that just sits on top of the hair, this actually goes into the cortex and repairs the hair because oil is a natural antioxidant for hair. So if you're doing any heating or any highlighting, you should be using an oil on your hair to help repair that damage and keep it soft.